So yeah, it turns out a passport is just the right size for a sleeve repair. This was a nice commission. Repaired that little bit there with a speed loom and then went for a penny darn repair. Couldn't find any pennies. There you go, circular. And so I sliced up a cork and then, yeah, because it was a sleeve hole, I wanted something square and flat and not too big so that it would stretch the knitwear. So yeah, passport just seemed to be in the right size. So secured at the back with the elastic band and went for a Dogtooth pattern. There you go, with the pink and the green. And it started to come together quite nicely, and then the sun went, so I sat on the front doorstep with the cat, enjoying London life, and I finished it off last night. I think it looks okay. If you've got any questions, just comment below, but hopefully she'll like how it's turned out.